my name is Frank John, Janitorial Coaching Hub. Our objective is threefold: to help you build, grow, and establish your cleaning business. And how we do that is we give you the tools for your success. Today, I want to talk about costly mistakes that cleaning business owners make. These are the mistakes that I have seen that before we even get started, whilst we are in it, far along in it, these mistakes really cost us, right? You're not starting a business so that 2-3 years down the line it collapses, or you are just surviving. Like, you got out of your 9 to 5 so that you can have your business and get some of your freedom back, do some of the things you love, and now you are in a business that has, like, basically you don't have any freedom. You can't spend time with your family. You can't go to the places that you want to go to. That is not a business. I don't know what that is, but it is not a business. So we want to talk about costly mistakes that cleaning business owners make. And today, the first thing we want to talk about is not having a business plan. Listen, if the foundation be destroyed, what can the righteous do, right? The Bible asks that question. And simply, a business plan is your foundation. It is your blueprint. It is what you stand on. It is a thing that guides your business. And I know that sometimes I think a lot of the reason why cleaning company owners or people in the service industry may not legitimize or may trivialize a business plan is because they think it's just a piece of paper. It's not a piece of paper. It is your guide. Listen, when I was getting started, I used to go to the library and research on cleaning businesses the whole time. I sat down, I wrote 2 business plans. I don't want to get into it because one of them, the file that it was on, it got destroyed and I had to write a new one. That was not fun. But the business plan that I wrote a few years back, I still read it every time because it gives me the direction that I need to be in. I know you don't have a business plan when you're doing everything. When you're doing floor strip and wax, janitorial, you're doing landscaping, you are doing painting, you're doing residential, commercial, you're doing everything. And I'm just looking at you like, oh, okay, that's how you want to do it. But at some point, you're going to come crashing. At some point, you're not going to be known for anything. You're going to be known as a guy that does everything. For some people, that's good. But for most people, that is not good. A business plan gives you the direction, and it is not just a piece of paper. It is a piece of paper that is what you plan in your mind. So what does a business plan help you do? A business plan helps you know who your client is that you want to serve, your ideal client, how much they can pay you, profit margins, where you can find them, right? How to locate your ideal clients, how to market to them, how to, it gives you the total summation of your business, right? The total summation. What services are you trying to render? What products are you trying to render? Are you going to be green? Are you not going to be green? All these things is stated in your business plan, and it gives you an idea. It gives you where you want to go. So don't make that costly mistake. And let me add this. If you want to know how to write a business plan, you can find them online. It's free. Go to your SBA website, Small Business Association website. Go to your library. These days, people don't go to libraries anymore. I like to go to libraries and look things up. You can also ask me you can message me, how do I write a business plan? I'll be more than happy to help you navigate that. But the point is, have your business plan because that is your foundation. That is your foundation. If you start without a foundation, surely you will not do well. That is, my message for you today. My name is Frank John, Janitorial Coaching Hub. Follow, like, subscribe. See you around.